When it comes to profile on social media, we take it personally and do whatever is possible to make it awesome, isn't it? For LinkedIn, task becomes tricky because it is a network of professionals, not friends like Facebook. Here, people are interested about your professional achievements, not in your personal life. So how would you make a great profile on LinkedIn? I will talk about it in this video. Every profile has a different objective to be labeled as great. A student's objective is to get a job or internship. A professional would be interested in job or increasing networks so that he can get awareness about the job. A salesperson is interested to reach potential clients. A businessman would be interested to connect with innovators and clients who would be interested to buy his product or services. So saying that one technique works for all would be difficult or probably go wrong in many cases. I'm going to talk about 3 important aspects of this profile activity on LinkedIn. 1. Completeness of profile. Is your profile complete on the LinkedIn? It has a term called all-star profile. Second, it should be a searchable profile. The recruiter, the people interested in your job or the kind of work that you do, it should be searchable. Third one is how popular is your profile. Unless you understand these 3 major building blocks, you can't say that it's an awesome profile on LinkedIn. Profile completeness. You need to optimize 9 key sections. Top section, which is called snapshot. This includes your name, location, profile photo, background image, and a compelling tagline or headline. It's your first impression. Make it count. About section. A concise summary of who you are, what you do, and what value you bring. This is your personal pitch. Experience. Detail your current and past job roles, responsibilities, achievements, and projects. If you're a fresher, focus on internships, academic projects, and educational background. Professionals should highlight relevant roles and outcomes. Education. List your academic qualifications, degrees, institutions, and years of study. Licenses and certifications. Include any industry-recognized certifications that add credibility to your expertise. Skills. Highlight the core skills you've acquired through education, work experience, or self-learning. Prioritize those most relevant to your professional goals. Recommendations. Endorsements from colleagues, clients, or mentors can significantly boost your visibility. Don't hesitate to request genuine recommendations from your network. Interests. Follow companies, thought leaders, and groups related to your domain to reflect your professional interests and stay updated. Activity. Keep your profile active by regularly posting updates, sharing insights, commenting on relevant content, just like you would on Facebook or Twitter. This keeps your profile alive and engaging. Once you've filled in all the necessary information on your LinkedIn profile, the next step is crucial: making your profile searchable and discoverable by recruiters, clients, or collaborators. To achieve this, you need to focus on 4 key areas. Arguably one of the most critical is your About section, also called your brief introduction. This is your chance to tie everything together. Use it to summarize who you are, what you do, the skills and experience you bring, and where you're headed professionally. Recruiters often read this section first to get a sense of your profile. Make it count. 2 skills. Section, your identity tags. Your listed skills directly influence how your profile appears in search results. Think of this section as your identity in the professional world. Select skills that match your industry's language and demand. For example, if you're a marketer, add skills like digital marketing, content marketing, branding, PR, PPC, advertising, and creative writing. If you're in sales, highlight skills like client relationship management, account management, sales forecasting, sales strategy, and demand generation. Tip: look at your entire skill list. Does it clearly reflect your professional domain? 3 current and previous job descriptions, particularly your current or most recent roles. Here you need to describe what you've worked on. Mention the skills you applied daily. Highlight your learnings and key achievements. Why is this important? Because LinkedIn's algorithm looks for a match between your skills and your job experiences. Example, if you come from a sales background and now work with tools like Salesforce, recruiters must see how the two connect. Are you using Salesforce for sales enablement or campaign management? Make that clear. Or if you've shifted from a technical background like test automation to pre-sales or sales, your profile must explain the transition. Highlight the combination of delivery experience, technical knowledge, and now business or client-facing skills. Without this clarity, recruiters may struggle to understand your journey, and you might miss opportunities that you're actually qualified for. For alignment, consistency is key. Finally, all parts of your profile, skills, job experience, and the About section should align with one another. LinkedIn's search engine doesn't just look at individual keywords, it looks for consistent alignment across your profile. If your skills say one thing but your experience says another, your profile might not rank well in search results. From a recruiter's point of view, it's important to see that you have the right skills, that you've used them recently, and that you're actively pursuing roles in the same space. Only then will your profile gain the visibility and reach you're aiming for. In our series of making it an awesome profile, we have understood that there are 3 things which are important for your profile. One is its completeness, second is it searchable, and then third is your profile a popular profile or not? There are many things which you can take up with your profile to make it popular. This includes which company you follow, which person you connect with, what kind of groups you are part of, which article or post you provide comment to, which group you are associated, and are you an active member of that particular group or not? Is there anything interesting which you want to share? Have you shared something relevant for the audience? What kind of followers you have? Do you have enough followers for your profile? Now, this all put together, if you are active on the LinkedIn, you are talking to people, you are making connections with people, and daily you are spending, say, at least 4 to 5 minutes on the LinkedIn, believe me, your profile will be an awesome profile very soon if you follow all these points which I have described in this video. I hope that you would have got some idea about it. Please let me know through your comments. If you are looking for some specific input about LinkedIn profile, I'll be happy to help you. Please subscribe to this channel for the next interesting content. Thank you.